Hey guys, welcome back to Tutors DIY. In today's video, I want to share with you how to make Vaseline for business or for your personal use. This is really good for your skin or your baby's skin. So here are the three basic ingredients: my paraffin wax, my petroleum jelly, and paraffin oil. So I'm going to make the wax using a double boiler method. So I will transfer it into an heat resistance container and melt it using a double boiler method. So allow it to melt completely and proceed with the petroleum jelly. So adding the petroleum jelly and stir from time to time to ensure it completely dissolved before proceeding with the next ingredients. Stir from time to time to ensure it completely dissolved. When completely dissolved, go in with your paraffin oil. So adding the paraffin oil and stir for like 1 minute to ensure everything is well incorporated. When properly combined, take it off from the heat, and now we're going to go in with our coconut oil. When properly combined, we're going to go in with our vitamin E oil and stir properly to combine all the ingredients. When properly combined, we are going to add in our fragrance. Then stir properly to combine. Now our Vaseline is ready and ready to be packaged. So I'm going to measure my hole using a digital scale to ensure everything is evenly filled. So you can use a measuring cup as well to measure your Vaseline to ensure that everything is at the same level. And here you have it. It is very easy to make. When everything is well filled up, allow them to cool completely before covering. So now this has been setting for like about 2 hours plus. So as you can see, everything is solidified, and I'm going to cover it with a lid. So once you cover them with a lid, the next step is to put your label. This is very, very compulsory. You can't sell it like this, especially if you are making it for business. So just go ahead and put your label and you are good to go. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumb up. Subscribe to Tutor DIY and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming video. Thanks so much for watching and see you in my next video.